Welcome to Techie Cubes channel. Today we are going to talk about MSI GF759SC gaming laptop. First let me talk about the specification and unboxing and my expression about the device. This laptop comes with the nice boxing and you can see it says True Gaming and here's the back side. The left side of this box contains the details. We can see the display is 17.3 Full HD anti-glare IPS 120Hz display and the CPU is Intel Core i7 9750H processor. VGA is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 DDR5 4GB. Hard disk is 512 M.2 PCI Express SSD. RAM is 16 GB that contains two 8 GBs LAN and Bluetooth device pre-installed 64-bit Windows 10. Let's see the unboxing. First remove the sticker, then open it like this. First remove this cardboard. You can see registration details are printed in this document. We'll take laptop out and keep it side and see the inside of the box. We can see here this is the paperwork regarding this product. The screwdrivers and the connecting part of the 2.5 hard drive. And here we can find the charging brick. Power connector. Take off this charging device and connect to the charging cable like this, and we can connect this side to the laptop and this side to the power. Take off the laptop and see how it looks like. Simply unwrap it. As you can see, it comes with a nice cover. And here is the laptop. We can peel off this plastic. This is how it looks like. This laptop has brushed aluminum top and you can see the premium look it has. The logo is placed on the top part of this device. This laptop is light than any other gaming laptop and it weighs around 2 kilograms. If we take the left side of the device, we can see the cooling fans, charging port, HDMI port and two USB 3 ports. We can simply plug the charging port here and you can see the charging light indication is turned on. The right side of the laptop contains cooling fans, Ethernet port, USB Type-C port, one USB 3 port. Here you can see the separate headphone and microphone jack, but you can place a combo jack. Then we can see a Kensington lock. The rear side of this laptop contains two ventilators. This is for the GPU and this is for the CPU to give enough ventilation for this device. More holes are placed on the bottom of this device. They have put copper pipes to cool the CPU as well as GPU. This device comes with two fans as they are placed on the left side and the right side. When you open the laptop, it looks like this. The protective cloth is placed between screen and the keyboard. Just remove it, and here is another one. You can see the top view and the bottom view of this laptop. This part also contain brushed aluminium and it looks premium. This is the CPU sticker and this is the GPU sticker. You can see when you open the laptop, the hinge is going down and you can see the laptop is coming up and there is space for the ventilators to work fine. Because this is a thin laptop, they have used this design to give enough ventilation to the device. When you turn on the device, first we can see the MSI logo and the laptop starts. This laptop has Bluetooth 5 and gigabit Ethernet connection. You can see the backlight keyboard. The only downside I see is the delete key is placed on this space. The keyboard has nice backlight and it is very easy to type, and it also has separate number pad. If you place a 15-inch laptop with this, you can see it is very similar to 15-inch laptop, but this laptop contains 17.3-inch screen. They have done this by reducing the bezels. As you can see, the board has very thin bezels. Though the laptop has thin bezels, anyhow managed to place a 720p camera and a microphone in the top side of the laptop. Now that I am speaking using this inbuilt HD cam on the laptop, and you can see the quality of the device, camera and the microphone. This is the MSI Dragon Center, and you can adjust your laptop according to your needs. Now you can see the MSI app player. You can install mobile gaming apps to this app player. There are so much things to discuss about this laptop. I'll prepare a separate videos regarding the applications and the gaming experience of the device. If you're interested in watching gaming videos, I'll leave a link below. I hope this information will help you to understand about this product, and please give a big thumbs up for my channel. Hit the subscription button if you didn't click it already. Please remember to share this with your friends, and if you have anything to say or need more videos in any other categories, please comment below. Stay safe.